Hey everybody, I had this one that worked for a while, so I finally decided to do it. It's how I make Chinese rice porridge in a pressure cooker. Now, traditionally, congee was made from leftover rice, and it's boiled for 2 to 3 hours if uncooked. Now, that's a lot of fuel to use, so what I do is pre-soak my rice for a couple hours, and that will give you that nice velvety texture that you really want. So always remember that a dull knife is more of a danger to yourself than a sharp one, so make sure and maintain your edges. So here I'm just rough chopping some onions, some garlic and ginger, and this will be your main flavor base. So you can see I'm using pork. Now you can use whatever protein you like or even vegetables. I'm just using some pork because I had some on hand. This meat, particularly when rendered down, really adds depth to this dish, and it's very traditional as well. So all I'm gonna add to this is some sesame oil, some salt, cornstarch, and water. You're just gonna mix it really well until all the water is absorbed and let it sit for a bit. Alright, from here on it's just a matter of everybody in the tub and letting your pressure cooker work its magic. I used about a cup and a half of rice here and just about 6 cups of water. Usually 20 minutes on high flame does the trick for me once it starts blowing off steam. I didn't have any sides at the time, so I'm using some cilantro to top it off. And if everything goes well, you are going to enjoy an incredibly comforting dish that is so tasty and really easy on your stomach. For me, it's really the Asian version of mashed potatoes, and I hope you like it and you give it a try someday. Enjoy!